Hi guys, welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment, your favorite channel for Niger news, celebrity gossips, and other entertainment gist. See what Steady A did to his wife Bam Bam that scared her. Bam Bam disclosed how baby daddy, as well as her husband Teddy A, ate all her lactating cookies. Guys, let's not forget that the couple just welcomed their baby some weeks back. Recall that the couples welcomed their first child a few months ago. She raised fears, asking if Teddy A will soon start producing breast milk after eating her lactation cookies. My husband ate my lactation cookies. Is he going to start producing breast milk? She wrote. Guys, what do you think? Do you think a man eating his wife's lactation cookies can make him produce breast milk? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Niger News and Entertainment. Stay tuned, guys, and stay safe this period.